We're Byron and Susie Sungroth. We're members of the Monmouth College Parent and Family Council. We've been members for just about 2 years now, and we were asked to join the council because we have, at the time, we had 2 children attending Monmouth, and we now have our 3rd one who's come to attend Monmouth, and we just saw this as a great opportunity for us to get involved and to give back to Monmouth College. I see our role as family and parent council members to be ambassadors for Monmouth College, to assist in the process of recruiting by meeting with parents of prospective students and even meeting with parents of current students to help promote Monmouth College and help promote some of its activities.
We are Tom and Beth Dooley, current parents of a senior and parents also of a former student at Monmouth College. Because we have been on campus quite a bit with both of our students, we were asked to be a member of the newly formed Parent and Family Council. We jumped on the opportunity because we believe in Monmouth College and we have experienced such a great, overwhelming care for our students while they're here, and we have loved seeing how they've developed as adults while they've had their time on campus.
One of the things I really like about being part of the council is getting to interact with President Wyatt, Dean Wilhart, other people in the community of the campus that fill us in on what's going on, what's happening here. We get to a lot of inside information about what the students' needs are, and then we get to participate in helping meet those needs of the students. We've been able to participate in adding additional Scott's Cruisers, water refill stations, and even Wi-Fi hotspots. I think Wi-Fi is one of the things all the students have said they want more of is that connection. Being able to do their studies at night, which is good for the parents to hear that that's what they want to use it for. And just being involved in those types of things has really meant a lot to us as a family and to individuals on the council.
You can find us on Facebook and you can connect with us as experienced parents. You can also connect with parents who are at the same experience level as you. You can share your questions, and no question is too big or too small. If we don't know the answer, we can direct you in the right place on campus to get that help.